Well, I got a little problem, guys. Over the winter, I went to pull the handle here and snap this off. So I ordered this off of Amazon. Let's open it up and see what's in here. So this was like 10 bucks, $9.99 on Amazon. I think this is kind of what everybody uses. It's just, I ordered a red one, but it's aluminum. So you slide in the old piece right there, and you put the two screws in right there. So it's got two Allen keys in here. Two Allen screws, and a little Allen wrench that it comes with. So that's pretty nice, comes with everything. So let's get this baby installed. Okay, so my idea is I'm going to use a pair of vice grips. I'm just going to kind of hold it out with the vice grips. So let's try this. Something like that. You know what? You got to cut away some of this black material here in order for this hole to fit over that. So let's get that done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this off. I don't know what this is all stuck on. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Now we got this out here. Let's go get a razor blade and cut this off. Okay. Let me figure out a better way to do this. I'll get back with you. Okay, we're busting out the old Harbor Freight Dremel here. Okay, I got it all dremeled away. I think you might be able to just take pliers and put it on there and twist that little thing off. I don't know. It's kind of how I ended up doing it, just cutting it down. Mine was so on there though, but now I got that all the way on. So let's get this kind of reassembled here, and we'll get this installed. And what we're gonna do is get these guys started in here first. Losing everything. So we're gonna get these guys started in here first. Like so. Like that, we got them started. Twist them until we can see them coming out the inside. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull this back off. Pull this piece back out. Let's put it on like this. Okay, like that. Make sure it's nice and square. That. Tighten up the back one. Well, let's see if we can just put this cover right back over it. We're gonna have to pull this all the way off. A little awkward, but that's gonna do the job right there. Boom. And we got our pull back. So there you go, guys. that's how to install one of those guys. I'm gonna leave a link for one in the description down below. You can pick it up on Amazon. It's like 10 bucks, and you can pop your hood again. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other element videos if you're bored. Have a great day, guys. Later.